everybody. Guess what I found in the back of the cupboard? One I forgot I put in the back of the shelf so it didn't roll on the floor. So we hadn't done 10, we'd only done 9. So let's see, maybe we've still got one we need hiding inside. Oh, she's a popper. It's got yellow. I can see yellow. Can you see yellow? I don't think we need any more yellows, do we? Yellow cradle. We do not need a yellow cradle. So here we have another duplicate up for grabs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I have got 2 My Mini Pets, so the next videos you see from me will be those. Thanks for watching. You've been watching Nana. Thanks for making it to the end with me.